Hi, hello, vanakkam. Welcome to my channel Srilekha Akash. Today in this video, I'm just going to share my very recent handmade jewelry. So before starting this, you can see this. It's raining completely. I'm just enjoying the climate and I'm just making my beaded jewelry now. I bought this beads from the workshop in Coventry. So it costed me 4 pounds and it's very strong wooden beads. So I thought of trying a wooden beads this time. So this was the very first time I'm trying the wooden beads. So this was a very beautiful bracelet. I made this. So I used the same size of the beads, wooden beads in this. You can see I have used different colors of wooden beads combining with some other style of beads too. I'll be showing it very slowly now. I like that pendant, and this one is with the multicolor beads now. So I adjusted it. This one is of same size. That beaded box had 3 different size of wooden beads. You can see this orange one was like something which is tinier than the multicolor one. So this one was like orange and white combined with the wooden beads. So these are like plastic beads. Actually that one looks like a glass beads, but it's not actually glass, it's a plastic beads. It's very colorful. And this one has green beads, 2 different colors of green combined with it's a kind of cream color. That one is 2 plastic beads. So you can see this red violet color. This one is my most favorite one. I have been searching it to repurchase it from Shein, but it shows out of stock now. This one was like very beautiful, and this is to a plastic beads actually that looks like a glass one. This green color, this is a malachite. This one is a natural stone. So this is what the bracelet making and the necklace making is my hobby. I got obsessed with that. You can see this pearl beads. So this was a very new type of bracelet which was made by me. This hanging ones are like, I loved it, but you can use them occasionally. You can't use them on the daily basis, for the reason that this one looks like overlooked for daily wear. Actually this one, if an occasion, any festival, you can use them. So I was trying to make a daily wear actually, because I don't want to make something which is for occasional wear. So this one is with S pendant where my starting letter is S. So I made that. So I was just running out this video very fastly. So this one is like different 3 light colors. Usually I prefer bright colors, but I don't have sufficient beads. That's why I was just making with the color which I had. You can see the red dark colors. I always prefer going for dark colors. So this one is a plastic beads. You can try this. So as a beginner, you can try all these designs which are like very friendly, very easy. I made them using a elastic bead. So it was like 10 millimeter size. The thickness is like 10 millimeter. It's like I got a bunch of elastics. So that I purchased everything from Shein. So if you want to try your necklace into this way, this will be more stylish.